guys, it's 8:30 at night. I'm not going to have any daylight to show you. But long story short, number one, I think I'm missing a rubber grommet here. I wonder if I can order one. But this, to dim the cabin lights, hasn't worked for a while. And the biggest problem is the odometer. It's supposed to dim when you put the lights on, and it's not doing it. So see, it does it, and then it will go back on. So long story short, I need to figure out what we're gonna do. Be right back. All right, this is the replacement switch. I'm not going to show you the process of putting it in, but I will show you the process of taking the components off. I don't like how the clickies felt, but of course this is brand new. Like, I guess it feels okay. It's also not in the steering wheel console, so but yeah, brand new, and I'll be back with the old one. Okay, so here we have the unit from the vehicle. Obviously the wiper is still attached, and I'm pretty sure I'm missing a grommet, because if the wiper has a grommet, I should have one over here, so I'll do a search. But we need to take this apart and scavenge and connect to that. But if you look, even with the iPhone here, you know, even though it's 13 years old, this paint, this whatever this is, still holds up. I mean, I've seen a lot of vehicles where all this shit is just rubbed away, but this is the main problem. And this is a lot firmer, so I'm hoping it'll work. And so basically we gotta take this relay out, and we have to disconnect these two with a couple of sets of hex screws. But one thing I'm also noticing too is how goopy it is. Focus. How goopy this is. And I'm willing to bet if I wasn't so fucking quick, if I just simply took this out and cleaned it with contact cleaner, it would work. But after 13 years, I figured, you know what, I might as well just replace it, and as opposed to waiting and then having the lights do not come on. So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have assembled the wiper to the new light indicator switch. I'm just gonna call it the switch. I mean, it's a light switch. This is the wiper juice and wiper switch. That's the old junker unit over there, and all we gotta do now is put it back in. Hopefully I put the relay in the right way. I'm pretty certain I did. And yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, I figured before I put the cover back on, we try it out. So everything's connected, and good news, the hazards work. That means it's plugged in. I don't like this, but I think that's just the way it is. Anyway, let's plug her in, or turn the key. Let's turn the light on. Oh crap, hold on. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll lower the window, shut the door. Okay. Now, interior cabin light works. Parking lights work, you can tell. Regular lights. Fog lights don't work. Awesome. That's fucking great. Oh, nope, sorry. My high beams were on. Fog lights do work. Now, and the lights dim. Woohoo! Sorry about that moment of oh my god. Left, right, high beams, fog lights work. I can increase the brightness, turn the cabin light on, put it back to normal, and of course dim the lights, which is the whole purpose of this endeavor. There we are. Okay, so, cool. Total time took me about, say, 20 minutes. The real hassle was getting these off. Very apprehensive with that, but replaced. The only thing I gotta worry about is getting that grommet back in place and finding one for this. I'm actually kind of annoyed that I don't have this. I'm OCD about that kind of shit, so I'm gonna go on eBay as soon as I'm done here, or Amazon, and try and find one. Anyway, we accomplished our goal. I'm happy. Alright guys, have a good night. See you.